this is our new hotel near Chinatown. Oh, yan yung mga halaman na tinanim ko. Gusto ko. But actually, super dami pala dito sa Singapore. Okay, so mayroon na kaming ticket pero hello.
Oh, wait, I just said that with the camera on. What was the picture?
Okay, so this is our new hotel near Chinatown. It feels different.
Ay, malulula ka dito.
Yeah, that's why I'm not going too near there.
So you'll be on the side of the bed. Okay,
Yeah.
it's fine. But it's good. I mean, you.
Yep, I will not go there. Yeah, I think Voco is 5-star for a reason.
Okay, so let's choose what for.
Okay, ito yung CR. So, diba, different. This is cheaper by how much?
As compared to what?
Voco?
To Voco?
Yeah.
Almost same lang. Almost same lang.
Really?
Yeah. Pero kasi, yun nga, medyo nandun yun sa Orchard. Sabi natin, we wanted to try something different.
Oh.
So, almost same lang.
Almost same lang, no? But the room doesn't look good. Masyado. Maliit kasi. Plus no carpet. Yan, but we'll see.
Pero, iba naman yung ano doon. So, I think,
Iba naman yung vibe. Can you let them see what's there?
Sure. That's the view. Then there's the reception there. It's the view from our hotel.
So, are we going to... we're going to
Hotel room.
Sentosa.
Yeah.
Hello. Yan.
Hello. Morning.
Morning. Nasa double-decker kami na bus. And nasa taas kami. And we're going to Vivo City. And yun yung kami sasakay ng train papunta sa Universal Studio. Okay? Nakakatawa na. Ngayon ako nakasakay uli na train. Oh, not a good view. Construction ongoing. Sabi mo kay MJ, hindi na tayo mag-USS kasi nag-rides na tayo. Ito na yun eh. So, ito na yung rides niya. We're not going to USS anymore. Ito na yun eh, rides.
Happy tayo, happy tayo.
Di ba, this feels like a roller. Okay. Breakfast eh. Ikaw hindi pa. Kumain ka na dati. Oh, yan yung mga halaman na tinanim ko. Gusto ko. But actually, super dami pala dito sa Singapore. Right? Oh, what's that building? daming kakaibang building dito na itsura, no?
Tapos dito na, meron na tayo mga basa.
Mm. Holland Drive. Okay. Mainit ka. Wow. It's sizzling hot. Ayan. Nasa Universal Studio. Resort World na kami. Universal Studio. Okay? So, eto na. Bibili na kami ng ticket. There you go. Bibili ng ticket. What happened? Dito, oh. Oh, hindi naman mahaba pila. We'll see. So, ticketing. So, hindi naman. Okay. So, mayroon na kaming ticket, pero apparently, kailangan uli namin kumuha ng ticket. Ganun pala yung process dito. So, papapalitan pa yung ticket na binayaran to another ticket. So, we need to call in line again. So, what can you say, Nick? Are you tired already? Because it's hot, right? So, let's go to Japan next time. It's not hot there. So, we're entering now. Thank you. Alright, we are now in Universal Studios Singapore! Okay, so, napagbigyan ng mga kids. So, are you happy? Okay, so, it's your day. Make the most out of it.
Transformers.
Yep.
Back first.
Transformer first. Lead the way. Do you have the map? So you can download it, you know. There's QR code. Oh, yeah, diba? It's the same in Osaka. The only difference is it's hot here. Okay. So tingnan natin kung sino unang magme-melt. Ako na yan. Mabigat din. Masakit yan. Okay. Oh, there oh. Tapunta muna tayo, straight ahead muna tayo sa sa ride. Maybe 1 or 2, then we can take a break. Hello. Ayan na, Transformer. Bawal ata. Pwede ba? May drinks? Are we allowed to have drinks? Are we allowed to enter with drinks? Tanong mo. It's okay to bring it inside? Okay. Oh. 80 minutes waiting time. Oh, kung wala ka na, go na, single ka. Ito dito, mas mabilis, oh, single.
Meron po kami ng single rider.
Single rider. Mas mabilis single rider eh. Yeah. You want me to help? O, punta na kayo. Hawakan namin. Single rider kayo.
Sama na kayo kung ano.
Hawakan mo ano. Hindi kayo magkasama. Pero dito lang kami. Pag single rider, magkasunod naman kayo, pwede lang kayong magkahiwalay. Pwede lang kayong magkahiwalay ng card. Okay? Pero usually it's faster.
You will not be together. I mean, it's not. Yeah.
Or do you want to be together? You have to like 80 minutes go to the other side.
Single rider?
MJ, we'll just wait here, okay? Kung wala kami, maghintay kayo dito, MJ, ha? Kung wala kami, paglabas nyo, maghintay kayo dito. Hey. Chanel.
Hello. Second time, bro.
Second time. Naganda ba? Masarap? Hindi kayo nadula? Picture. Sa loob kami ng transformer. Waiting for our turn. Actually, nag-single kami. Kami sama-sama sa isang car. Para mas mabilis. Haba ng pila eh. Oh, ayan.
Na.
Gusto niyo dyan?
Ito ko roller coaster.
At 60 minutes.
50 minutes. Akala ko single rider.
May single rider. Mag-single rider ba kayo? Roller coaster yan eh. Roller coaster. You want?
Give me that. I don't think so.
Bawal ata magdala ng gamit eh.
Bawal yun. It's okay. Siya na. Akin na. Kung kayo.
Magsama
Siya
na.
na hindi. Akin na kuya yung mga gamit nyo.
Single rider kayo parehas?
The two of Miguel.
Saan yung labasan?
To be in the presence of living, breathing dinosaurs is simply
We're waiting for it.
breathtaking.
Mga kids.
Indeed, 3 generations
Oh,
of men
rides
in the
kami. Ang ingay
town
dito.
of Jurassic proportions. That's truly Bubba World Capture, folks. So, head down over that way and join the Annabelle line over there with my friends in the black. If you want to get up close and personal with Blue, Baby Kilo,
And our newest addition, Baby Stella.
oh, that's a beautiful name. That's it, folks. Head down that way, join the end of the line, but remember to keep this area clear at all times. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, head on over there. Get a little closer around rafters here. All right, everybody. Easy.
Sensation. He's live and kicking with his latest single, I Smell Good. It's sure to take the #1 spot in the old top 10 charts. So we all ready to see Donkey? Alright, now remember, this is an interactive show. So be ready to laugh, joke, or even talk to Donkey because I might just pick any of you to be part of the show. Now before we head on inside, a
各位先生女士们，欢迎来到水世界特效表演。请注意，此表演的音效、枪声及爆破等强烈震撼效果可能会惊吓儿童。 位于蓝色剑师区座位上的观众，有可能在表演时被剑师或剑师。若您的座位位于绿色剑师区，您也有被剑师的可能。请您务必依照个人偏好选择座位区域。为了确保您及表演者的安全，请您在演出进行时全程盘坐在座位上，保持嘴巴畅通。最后，请勿在露天剧场吸烟，并请您尽情观赏节目。谢谢。
Ha?
Recruits, may I present the leader of the Autobots, the universe's sole surviving prime, and perhaps humanity's greatest ally, Optimus Prime. Thank you, Richard.
Just what do you think this is, Mr. Theme Park? We are at war here, so stow that dough stick and listen up. Right. Now then, this is Decepticon Defensive Tactical Training.
What do we have fast to keep the Allspark away from them? Because out there in Open City, it's going to be anything goes. I know your recruits don't have much training, but you wouldn't be here if you didn't have courage. And your instincts, well, we're all just going to have to violence.
Macaroni's there! Keep quiet, everybody. We don't want to set out any... Elmo, Sesame Street Road!
Toss them back to Earth. Yay, bird!
Your chicken furry hero has saved the day!
ride na daw. Supa!